Hey guys. Hello, hello. Hey everybody. Welcome to Tracy's Fancy. I am painting live tonight at my daughter and son-in-law's house. We are working on the dresser for their baby nursery. And I know, it looks fabulous, doesn't it? Don't be scared. It is ugly. Jessica, what you think? It's so ugly, but it'll look fantastic when we're done. I promise. Hi, neighbor. Hello, Mark. How are you? Hi, Terry. John Treble. Oh my gosh. How are you doing, hun? Hello, Patty. Hello, Kelly. This is going to be a dresser in Haley and Trevor's baby nursery for their little boy. Hello, Jean. You want to come say hi? We didn't want her over. You want to come say hi to everybody? Oh, you're playing basketball. Oh, I like. Good job. Good job.
Hi.
This is Harlow Jean. Harlow, you can have whose room is this?
Brothers.
Brothers. It's your
Brothers.
brothers. Yes. Are we painting a dresser?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Did you help paint Mom and Daddy's bed? What are you doing?
What's it here?
This is sea spray.
Sea spray.
Sea spray. This is sea spray, and we added it to our paint because we're making a really, really ugly texture on our paint. Okay? You're stealing the camera from Gigi. So you're gonna have to stand over here so I can talk to my people. There we go. That's better. Share the page. Share the spotlight with me, okay?
You switch and she said, "Can I go stand?"
Yeah, she knew she couldn't be on Dixie Belle's page, so she's been waiting. She heard me tell everyone bye, her mama said, and then she was like, "Can I go in there now?" Because she knew she had to wait until I was on my own page. I got a little helper, and her daddy is helping me too. So what we've done so far, you guys, is we put down Mud Puddle. This was a Thomasville early American ugly piece with these handles. Y'all have all seen them, right? Right? So I forgot to tell the people over on Dixie Belle page that we are doing, Haley and Trevor are ordering these really cool leather handles. So it's like a leather strip with two metal brads that go in the holes. They look like brads, but they're actually screws. And then it's a leather strap. So it'll have leather. So we've got the dog. Everybody wants to come in this room. So that's what we're doing for handles. But right now we're laying down an undercoat, which is a really, really, really ugly coat. Hi, Brandy. Hi, Cindy. We put down Mud Puddle first as our scratch coat. And right now we are using terracotta and Colonel Mustard and rags. We're ragging it. We mixed it with sea spray because in the end, what Haley really is looking for is like an old world gentleman's library, kind of like a library look, but she wants it to look kind of rich but rusty, like super well traveled. That's what we're going for. So it's going to be mostly grays and rust, but right now we're putting down some undercoats so that as we sand things off and knock paint off, and we'll start to expose a little bit of the undercolor. So Haley, will you hand me Trevor's guitar? Just in case you weren't over on the Dixie Belle page, I want you to see kinda our color inspiration. It's not a guitar nursery. This is just for color, okay? Valerie said it's looking interesting. Would y'all like me to play you a little song? All right, what would y'all like to hear tonight? Because I don't play and I don't sing. You could play for me, Trevor, while I paint and sing. Okay, so y'all see this color in here. Not this. And not so much this, but actually we are going to have some of this around the bottom. But do you see this rich color right in here? The leather handles are probably more around this color, and then we're going for this color at the top. But if you look at this color really closely, you'll see that it has like some terracotta and some yellowy gold in it as well. And so that hue is kind of what we're aiming for on some of it. And so this is our undercoat. And when you really want to get an authentic look like that, you've got to be patient. You have to be willing to put a lot of layers down. It's very difficult to get it without putting a lot of layers. You've got to let the colors work with each other and build on top of each other and give like shadowing and shading. So April, you're so welcome. Thank you for being here. They're so sweet to let us. So she's really painting over here. Do y'all see this? She's got her paint on. So the goal when you do this, guys, is to don't mix the two colors. Don't mix the terracotta and the Colonel Mustard. Put them around each other. That's what you want to do. You don't want to mix the two together. And then what Trevor's doing that you see him do right there is he's going back with the rag and just crumpling it up and just blotting it, because we've mixed this into the paint, which makes it really thick. It's called Sea Spray. It makes the paint thick, and then when you do the scrunching in it, it actually leaves that texture in the paint.
Good painting, Daddy.
Thank you.
What'd she say?
Good painting, Daddy.
She said, good painting, Daddy. Oh my goodness, you're so cute. So do you see how we've left the bottom? The bottom of it Trevor went a little low over there. He went down with the rest all the way to the bottom. And it's actually going to be gray down on the bottom. So that part's going to be covered up. All of it's going to be covered up. Yeah, Shirley, thank you for having faith. The finished product won't look anything like this. Were you a little freaked out?
I feel like
I
I
wish
still
you
am a
could see
little.
Haley's face.
It's still very vibrant, but I.
You like this bit? Does this look good?
What's this look
We all
like?
just
I
like
just
to be
looked up at Haley, and Haley's
I
going.
love it. I love this.
No, actually, she was going.
Oh, you love it?
I do,
Yeah.
baby. You're doing such a good job.
Thanks, Mommy. I'm playing with Dad.
Do you love it? Thanks, Mommy. I'm painting with Dad. You are. You want to tell the people what you're doing? You got to turn around, though, so they can hear you.
Wait, we're playing with. I'm Daddy. Say hi, Daddy.
Oh, hi. Hey there.
Hi.
Hi. I'm Daddy.
I'm Hollow.
And who's this?
This is Gigi.
That's right.
I'm Gigi.
Want to come here and say hi?
Hi, everybody. Mommy's in her PJs.
She said, does Mommy
Very
want to come
pregnant.
here and say
Thank
hi?
you.
Yeah.
You're in your
too.
PJs, too. Yes, you are.
You're so
So
cute.
can I paint around this other side here
Later.
while you're painting it, too?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Do you want to
Tell
play
me
with
when, Mom. We can keep watching the show.
Carla, you can go read the comments too and respond to them if you want to.
Oh, what are we doing?
Oh, shoot. We have to do that. It's part of the process.
Thank you. Thank you for doing that.
Hi.
You gonna stand up so you can see the comments? Let's see. Someone said that you're so cute.
What do you say?
Thanks. I'm getting hearts.
You're getting hearts. Oh, she wants
Oh,
hearts. Can she get some hearts?
You're
She would
so
like some
silly.
hearts, you guys.
Are they
And
giving
Brandy
them?
is Gigi
Oh, yeah,
too.
give
Some
them
other
those.
one on there says
Wait.
that her name is Brandy is Gigi. Okay, look, Harlow, look.
Yay.
Look.
Yay.
Look at the hearts.
Yay.
Yay. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Their eyes burn from the sun.
Uh-huh.
Daddy,
that's
look.
cool.
They're giving me
Okay, come
hearts.
on, Angela.
Oh,
let them
whoa.
finish.
Look, Daddy, they're giving me hearts.
Say thank
Okay,
Love
well,
this.
tell them all goodbye.
Bye.
Bubble guppies.
She's so cute. Okay, so let's keep going, Trev. Keep going. We could have already had this done. We're so busy talking. They want to see us paint. Get this going. And like I said, you can blot. You can do like I'm doing, or you can go ahead and paint it like this, but put a lot of paint. You want to have you do want to put a lot of paint down. And you can go like that, and then take your rag and do like that in your rag. But I like pounce painting.
What
I
about
do.
that rail?
You can do that if you want. You can catch it. We'll probably catch it in a little bit with some gray, but once we get that dried and we start covering this up,
All right.
I think I need more rust. You want to switch? Switch, and then do some yellow down on your side over there. Just want to make sure that you're getting your drawers open enough, Trev, that you can get down underneath there. Does anyone have any questions? Y'all let us know. I'll check back in with the camera in just a second. I just want to get moving on this so it can start drying, because I don't really want to leave this with them like this tonight. But it is a process. These pieces are a process, y'all. They are. The pieces that you see that people have done. Uh-oh, what's wrong with this tree?
Oh, that's the one he was so sad about.
Oh, what happened? Oh, there you just.
It's
have to
just
lift.
it's not all the way on the track.
Oh, gotcha. Okay, so they got this piece, you guys, on Marketplace, right? Facebook Marketplace. For $100.
Yep.
$100. All right, so as I showed you on that guitar, this is going to be just sort of an undercoat. We're not going to cover it that much, but enough to take all this ugliness out of it. We'll be using lots of Best Dang Wax in black, lots of gray. Hello from Fort Myers, Mary Jo says. Oh, you're so sweet. You're so sweet. Let's see if I missed any questions now that I'm here. I'm just really curious because I have a vision for a TV stand I'm painting for my son, and I didn't know if I wanted to use patina. We may pull in some patina. I'm not going to lie and say that I didn't bring it. I did. I brought iron, patina, and green spray paint because that gives you the most orangey rust. But I won't do that, Pat, until the end. I'll wait until I get this just the way I want it, and then I may add some actual authentic patina collection by Dixie Belle with those two colors. That's what I would use, is the iron with the patina. So yeah, Pat, good. Perfect timing, right? Perfect timing. Hey, Miss Liz, you're watching too. Tina Smith is also a GG. We have lots of GGs on here. That's awesome. Gabrielle, you're watching tonight, Gabrielle. Good to see you, hun. Hello, Marie. How are you doing? Hello, Connie and Linda. Okay, guys, anyone else have any questions coming in late? What is the gray color? So, Athena, down at the bottom is actually, it's Mud Puddle. It's called Mud Puddle. This is it right here. This is the color. Let me dip a little bit on the brush for you so you can see. That's Mud Puddle. It looks, honestly, like a chocolate milkshake. So it's not, you wouldn't call that gray, would you?
No,
It goes a little
it's like
more
brown.
It's brown.
But it looks gray on the.
It does
on the
look
brown.
gray on the piece, but it goes a little fleshy, I guess, kind of a little bit.
Yeah, like if you paint it on a white piece.
But
of paper.
we are going gray. I brought Driftwood, which is a super light gray. I brought Hurricane Gray, which is a mid-tone gray, and I brought Gravel Road, which is a dark charcoal, and this is what will be at the very bottom of the piece. I know, it does look great, doesn't it, guys? So that's Mud Puddle. It's a very subtle color that's really good to use for undercoats, and it's also really good to use if you're blending colors. Like, it blends real easily with some other, it blends well with like blues, it blends well and fades into like tea rose really, really well. Any of your pale soft greens, those all blend together super well. Anyway, this is Gravel Road, and I also have chocolate and coffee bean. I think we'll probably be using a lot of coffee bean as well. And I have Best Dang Wax in black. I also brought this because we will drag this through some of it. And Trev, you can do that if you want on some of it. Just, I would use the small side, maybe this one. Anywhere it's still kind of wet a little bit, like just to give it some texture. I don't know if it's too dry. It's probably too dry at this point. We forgot about it. Yeah, it's too dry. It's okay. We'll use it on the next one. On the next layer. I don't think you'll be able to get much from it. But I did bring that. And I also brought, I have one of these old Chalk Couture, whatever you call these. I forgot what these are called. Wedges, rubber, spatulas. That's what I'm looking for. I know, Charlotte, I always do. I always sound like the lady at Romper Room. People tell me that all the time, but I just hate to not say hi. Thank you, though. I have heard it before. So I'm going to have the spatula as well, because when I start layering on some of the grays, I'm going to use this to drag. Instead of a paintbrush, this rubber spatula will actually give you a really good, like a drag piece. If you want to drag down opposite directions, this works really well too. So I'm going to be doing that as well. So, like I said, this is a layered piece, and you have to have patience and a little bit of time and vision. Got to have some vision. So I think that's it, guys. Yeah, I think we're gonna head out, but thank y'all for joining, and just keep your eyes peeled right here on my page. Thanks for following along. I would say within a week we'll have it posted as a final piece, and y'all are gonna be like, "What? That's that piece?" I hope anyway. How lucky is Trevor to be? Aw, you're so funny, Susan. Trevor gets a lot of one-on-one time with me. I don't know if he likes that so much, you know. It's the mother-in-law thing, so I don't know. Great. It's good. Yeah. I love you. Okay. We have a great family. We all work really well together. Tammy, you did say you had a piece like this. So many people do. I can't wait till they get their leather
We're just
handles
saying
in,
bye.
so.
Did you want to say bye?
Yeah, we're telling them good night. You want to come say bye one more time?
Yeah, come
Okay,
on.
come on. You can come in. Thank you for asking. I like that you're asking.
She's listening to your cue words too.
Bye.
Say bye. Have a good night. See you soon.
Have a good night.
Yeah, you got to look up here so they can say.
Bye.
Yes, Lisa, he's my son-in-law. Yes, he's my son-in-law. My daughter Haley is very pregnant and behind the camera right now and does not want to come on the screen. But she says hello too.
Yeah.
Yes. Hi,
We're on our
everybody.
way. It won't look anything like that.
Terry, I see your face over there giving Terry's giving you hearts, Harlow. Terry,
Thanks.
thanks. You're so cute. Okay, guys. Well, they're saying good night. I love you guys, and we will see y'all very, very soon. Okay, y'all take care. Bye.